So I just wanted to review with you guys again how you got into these groups, okay? Because your groups are different than the groups you worked in the previous unit, right? So you guys are in the groups you're in now based on the pretest we took on the religions of the Middle East last week. Okay, based on your scores, I can see who already mastered the standard and needed some independent study to push their knowledge a little bit further, and who needed a little bit more support as we kind of entered this unit and began learning new things together. So you guys are grouped based on your performance on that pretest. All right, so our stations for today are as follows. If you're working with me, you guys are going to take a baggie of facts, a Ziploc bag of facts, and place them where they belong on this three-circle Venn diagram, comparing and contrasting the religions of the Middle East. Okay, remember that we've been learning about these three major religions of the Middle East so that we can compare and contrast them, which is what we're going to do in my station today. This is the end goal that we've been working for, is being able to do this effectively. Okay? So I've made 2 copies of that chart so that we can compete and see which group can do it the fastest. No group today has done it right the first time. Every group has had to make some adjustments, and most of them have taken anywhere between 10 and 15 minutes to get it right. If you're in the green group, you're going to go to your quizzes page in OneNote and access that Q1 Final Exam Study Guide, practicing the locations of the Middle East that you need to know and remember, as well as practicing the vocabulary that's important for the unit. Okay? And I would challenge you in that station, I want you to work towards that gravity practice game, because that assesses everything. Not only can you recognize the definition of vocabulary word as soon as you see it, but also can you spell it correctly. At the orange station, you guys are doing the Battlefield review game that is also on the same page. Q1 Final Exam. I want you all to make sure you're following our class expectations for those rotations. I want you to be responsible, on task, and ask for help in your group first if you need it. Me, if no one else can answer your question. And be very respectful. Work very quietly because we have such a big class. All right, I'm going to start my timer for 20 minutes. When that 20 minutes is up, it'll be time for us to go to lunch. Okay? Sir. All right. You guys may begin. I want you guys to do that first. Okay. So for Sunni and Shia,
I got this one instructor.
Thank you very much. All right, so today we went through our first rotation of 3 rotations we're going to do today and tomorrow. Tomorrow when you guys come back, we're going to do our last 2 rotations.